London town, you preach so loud of rights and chains and justice proud. Your banners wave or Trafalgar Square, for strangers' woes you feign to care. But when the call comes from the east, from Biafra's son, a captive beast, your lips go sealed, your voice goes dumb. The hypocrite's hymn has just begun. Silence, silence, UK silence, on Nnamdi Kanu's endless trial. You thunder for the world's oppressed, yet gag your tongue when truth's confessed. Silence, silence, UK silence, your moral crowns are rusted fire. You sold the rope, you built the cage, now mute the cries upon the page. You taught the world the Magna Carta's grace, yet rend it now in the Booja's embrace. Extraordinary renditions flight, from Nairobi's dusk to midnight's bite. MR6's shadow, FC-Do's nod, a British hand on foreign sword. You cite through process with a sneer, while torture's echo fills the ear. Silence, silence, UK silence, on Nnamdi Kanu's endless trial. You thunder for the world's oppressed, yet gag your tongue when truth's confessed. Silence, silence, UK silence, your moral crowns are rusted philo. You sold the rope, you built the cage, now mute the prize upon the page. Remember Hong Kong's tear gas streets, you roared for freedom and banged the beats. Remember Ukraine's battered door, you armed the fight, you begged for more. But when Igbo blood stains BSS floors, your foreign office locks its doors. The Commonwealth, a hollow shell, when selective outrage rings the bell. Your rapporteurs cry release, amnesties pleas for piece by piece. Yet Westminster's benches stay serene, no questions asked of number 10's machine. The arms keep flowing, contracts signed, while Kanu's chained and half blind. Your rules-based order is a jest, a throne of lies in pinstripe vest. Silence, silence, UK silence, on Nnamdi Kanu's endless trial. The empire's ghost still haunts the hall, but justice hears no British call. Silence, silence, UK silence, you're proud of thrones, your self-denial. One day the muted truth will scream and wake the hypocrite from his dream. First they came for the Biafran, and Britain looked the other way.